Okay, she's on the bench. Before I disassemble it, this is what the exhaust looks like. And my O2 sensor in the stream. Okay, let's tear her apart. Just gonna set this on my big expensive camera stand. Get these screws out, bolts out, see what it looks like inside. Alright, the great reveal. Okay, I'm thinking of seeing we may have some melted down in the burn chamber because it was running on high, the whole time for 3 days straight, so it was very hot. Here we go. What? Three days. 2 gallons of waste oil. That's crazy. That is crazy. Looks like my little bleeder hole worked out good to help it air out some. Wow. Look how it melted that. Well, guys, there you go. On high, just over 2 gallons of waste oil. And this is what we've got for our deposits. Look how that is fairly clean. Crazy.